Good morning. Before we get started on today's vocabulary preview, you should have already watched the video on Edpuzzle. Today's chapter is entitled Omens. It is chapter 22. Before we get started, I'd like to take a look at what the word omen means. That's really important for you to understand. An omen is an event regarded as a sign or a warning of good or bad. So you could have good omens that are signs or warnings that something good is going to happen, or you can have bad omens, which is a sign that something bad is about to happen, like a warning. The last word is hysterical. The word hysterical is deriving from or affected by uncontrolled, extreme emotion. So I'm sure you've heard of laughing hysterically, uncontrolled laughter, but hysterical does not always mean that something is funny. I'm sure you've also heard of hysterically crying, where you really have an extreme emotion that is making you feel sad. All right, those are the two vocabulary words for today. Please head to Google Classroom, read the chapter, and answer the questions. As always, submit the document and turn it in when it is complete. Have a great day.